Okay, my friends, so here it is. As you can see, it looks really cool. Writes really smooth on here as well. The eraser is actually magnetized, so you can just stick it on there, which is cool. Got these little things I can hang these from. If you want to stick notes on there or whatever, these are magnetized as well. These have those little hook things too. Little board down here, you can put your different pens and whatnot. Just a really nice, professional, good looking glass dry erase board here. This looks, I think it's a very nice addition to my little office here. As we can see, I got my helmet going on, some artwork and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Really happy with this, my friends. I think it's, so far it looks like stuff's really easy to erase with it as well. Doesn't like, I had a whiteboard before where you, once you stuck stuff on there for a few days and you try to erase it, it was just pretty much part of the board. So anyways, my friends, the install was pretty easy for one person. 2 people would be a lot easier. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.